What is up, traders? Welcome to the trading channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 different trades we've had so far this week in the EAP Training Program. We've had 3 trades this week in that program and all 3 have been winning trades, including the one you see on your screen that is currently up a little over 380 pips in just under 2 days. In today's video, we'll also be talking about the importance to sticking to your trading plan, because although this week has proven to be extremely profitable so far here for the EAP Training Program, last week that was not the case. And if we would have chose to stop trading our plan because of the struggles we had last week, then the profits we've seen this week so far would not have been possible. So if you're new, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to be alerted whenever we come out with new videos like this and our weekly market predictions that we come out with every Monday to help you stay ahead in your trading. Also, if you don't mind, go ahead and click that like button for me while the intro and disclaimer roll, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Welcome back, guys. So I like to be completely transparent in these videos, and I'm not just going to tell you we had 3 winning trades in the EAP. Instead, I'm going to show you guys the email that was sent out to EAP Training Program members that have these trade ideas in it. So the first trade we're going to take a look at is the pound New Zealand, and let's go ahead and head over to that email. Here's that email, guys, and if I click the details here, you can see that this email was sent on Monday, October 23rd, 2017 at 1:02 p.m. That's when this email hit the inbox of all members. The first trade you see here is the pound dollar trade, and we'll take a look at it in just a second. But first, let's take a look at the pound New Zealand trade. If we scroll down here, you can see that here we have this pound New Zealand trade. And this trade was taken using a strategy that we have in the training program called the pullback strategy. Now, we're not going to discuss all the rules for that strategy here in this video, but as you can see in the email, I do have an entry, stop, and target for this trade. So let's head back over to the chart and discuss a little bit of the analysis behind this trade and also discuss why we were interested in this as a trading opportunity. In order to do so, we need to zoom out to the daily chart. So out here on the daily chart, just as we do our analysis in the weekly market prediction videos and in the structure-based trading videos, do you guys notice anything that may lead us to believe that this market could head higher? What about this right here? What about this close we had just above our previous resistance level? So this market here on the pound New Zealand came off of this base right down here, pushed up after consolidating for a bit, finally broke above this resistance level here, continued higher, we consolidated a little here, and then another impulsive move up, another impulsive move higher. But this one, after the close of this candle here, broke and closed above our previous level of resistance. So that gave me a long bias on this specific pair. I wanted to go long, and I needed to find a way to go long on a lower time frame. And that's exactly what we did in the EAP. It's pretty simple analysis, but we do have specific entry reasons and rules that we use in order to make sure that we're getting the optimal entry when the market is in this type of condition. So as you can see, this higher time frame analysis that we talk about each and every Monday in the weekly market predictions video can be a really powerful tool to add into your trading plan. And there was actually plenty of different reasons you could have entered a trade like this. If we head down to a smaller time frame, let's say the 1-hour chart, here we have this break of resistance. Here was our resistance level from that higher time frame. Market then pulls back and puts in this nice double bottom, heads higher. You could also have traded this like some type of simple pattern. So as we were just talking about, guys, many different ways to get involved in this after seeing what condition the market was in on a higher time frame. So what does this trade have to do with sticking to your trading plan? That's one of the main things we wanted to discuss in this video. So the question is, why does sticking to a trading plan really matter? In order to answer that question, we're going to head over to the equity curve for the EAP. Alright, traders, so this equity curve is based on the email analysis that we send out 3 to 5 times a week to members. And as you can see, here is that equity curve. So the reason sticking to a trading plan is so important is because just a couple of weeks back, we went from a new equity high here and had a significant drawdown to here. This is the position when most people give up in their trading. And let's pretend none of this back through here it even exists. Let's pretend you just started trading right here. You have a really good month or a really good week here, then a little pullback, you have a little drawdown right there, another really good week, and then you lose every bit of that profit when you first start out. Say that happens within a matter of 2 or 3 weeks. So in 3 weeks of trading, the strategy or strategies that you've chose to put into your trading plan have produced no profit at all. How likely are you to stick to that trading plan? Seeing this on an equity curve is very easy. Seeing it on paper is extremely easy, guys, because we can see all of this beforehand. As if you were to start trading right here, where I'm drawing that black dot, It would have been a very frustrating time for you if you made 10% and then lost it all within 3 weeks. So frustrating that I would assume for any newer trader or for anyone who's struggling with their trading, this would probably be enough for you to stop trading your trading plan. And what would have happened if you would have done that? You would have missed out on this big move up that we've had this week. So that's why sticking to your trading plan is so important, guys. And without doing that, it's going to be nearly impossible to be successful as a trader. Once you have that proven to be profitable plan, your entire purpose needs to be to come into the market every day and follow that plan to the best of your ability. And that can be a very difficult thing to do on your own. So if you need help with your discipline and trading psychology and help understanding how to follow a trading plan, or even help understanding how to create a trading plan, then that's the entire purpose of the EAP Training Program. And if you're ready to invest in your trading education, then there's a link for that program in the description below. If not, that's fine too, guys. We're still going to be producing plenty of valuable content here on YouTube. So as you can see, guys, following your trading plan really does pay off and is an essential part of becoming a successful and profitable trader. That's the reason I wanted to make this video. I hope it was valuable to you. If it was, then please go ahead and click that like button for me. And if you enjoyed this content, then make sure you're subscribed to be alerted whenever we come out with new videos like this by clicking that subscribe button and clicking the little notification bell beside it. If you want to get your hands on my personal back testing, forward testing, and trading spreadsheet that looks exactly like this, then there's also a link in the description for the Spreadsheet Mastery course, and this exact spreadsheet comes with that course. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. I wish you guys the best of luck in your future trades. Remember to stick to that trading plan that you have, and if you don't have one yet, make sure to go ahead and create one, because that's going to be essential to your ability to become a profitable trader. I'll see you guys in the next video.